You want to dice up your model in plane levels for machining. So if this is something like a cheesy volcano here, for instance, then a quick way to do that is just create a rectangular plane, make sure it's bigger than your model. This model is roughly 10 inches high, say, and I want to dice it up in 1 inch segments. So I'm making a plane that's 30 by 30, which just definitely covers my model from the top view, right? And then you're gonna kind of like an array, you'll use a translate copy, and what you're gonna do is basically, let me just redo this so you see it happen from the beginning. Um, you check the height of your model. So I already knew it was 10 inches, right? So the z value is 10 there. The 0.004 is the bounds data on both sides. But it's a 10-inch volcano. If you extract the edges, you'll see that. So I want to copy this plane uh, 10 times at an inch level every time. So what I'm going to do is choose copy. I'm going to make 10 copies, and then to get the inch, I'm going to put 10.002, which is that half value of that. And then what I'm going to do is divide that by the 10 copies to know my spacing, which is an inch, right? So if we just do this, we select that, and then we do the copies. Oh, I wanted it to be negative, right? Uh, Negative, reselect, copy, copy, and there we go. And so there's my model diced up 10 times with a plane. Well, it's not diced yet, but I mean, there's the planes I'll use to dice them up. So I just get rid of the top and the bottom one because I don't need those. Now you just do a Boolean union, I mean Boolean difference, right? So take that model as the first pick, and then all the rest of those as the second pick. Say OK, and diced up. Now what I want to do is go to utilities, stitching, unstitch solid to surfaces, and say OK. And then now I made a bunch of layers over here, so now I can go through and separate all these out into the layers. Let me get to where I can see there's a half split, right? That seam edge is always going to be a half split. So let's just call that one, uh, let's just leave that on 1. I should have just went to, let's just hide the second one here. Should have named my layers differently. Basically, I'll just go down. I mean, you see what I meant. I didn't set it up right here. So let's say if I make my first split number 2 attributes layer 2, it disappears. And then now I can go attributes, right? Next one, attributes layer 3, attributes layer 4. Get the idea, right? I'll stop talking. Probably make a hotkey for that pop up there, right? Make it if I'm doing this all the time, every day. Did I miss a layer? I just didn't name them properly. So anyway, yeah, there you go. And now just hide and show your layers for each cut.